guys, it's Melody Lane here, and it's March Madness mystery box or mystery box March Madness. I don't know. I know it's March and I know we got mystery boxes. Here's a mystery box with some vinyl. This package is a pack of removable vinyl. You get 4 of each sheets. There's 20 sheets. These are really nice colors. They're matte. So you get black, red, blue, white, and gray. Those are all flat in this pack. It's called the Modern Value Pack. You get 6 sheets in here. This is the summer sampler. These colors are beautiful and great for summer. Aren't they pretty? This is permanent vinyl, the premium permanent. This stuff, I've had it on a glass in my dishwasher for months now, since last summer. And we just keep it in the dishwasher. We're testing how long it's gonna last. It's gone through the dishwasher a million times. And this sampler, look at those pretty colors for Easter. Aren't they pretty? This is the pastel sampler, premium and permanent. This is stone yellow. You get 4 feet of this one. This would be great for little Easter chicks. And mint. This might match some of your mint machines. 4 feet of premium permanent. And parchment. We always need these, but it's not like the most beautiful color we choose. This would be a good color for sand and stuff to make a beach scene. And silver. 4 feet premium permanent. Just like the other rolls. Now remember, if you have $50 in your subtotal, you can use my code ML10, save 10% off and free shipping. But you might have to add something to your cart to get that awesome discount. And if you have access, you get another 10% off. This mystery box is available in the US and Canada. And free shipping when you use my code. All right, guys, I love you and I'll see you in the next video. There is a link in the description. I do get a small commission when you shop through that link. Thanks, guys. Love you.